This lesson, we will talk about hazard and risk. What is hazard? A hazard is something that has the potential to cause harm to people, property, or the environment. It is a source of danger and anything that poses a threat to health, life, property, or the environment. What is risk? A risk is the chance that someone or something will be harmed by the hazard. Now, let's proceed to risk analysis process or the risk assessment steps. Step 1. Identify the hazard. Step 2. Decide who might be harmed and how. Step 3. Evaluate the risk and decide on the precautions. Step 4. Record your findings and implement them. Step 5. Review your assessment and update if necessary.
Now, let's proceed in defining every steps.
Step 1. The hazard identification. We really need to know what is the exact classification of a hazard. If it is a physical hazard, a chemical hazard, a biological hazard, an ergonomic hazard, or a psychosocial hazard. Step 2. Decide who might be harmed and how. These steps involves looking at each specific hazard and then identifying the people who may be harmed by them. Step 3. Evaluate the risk and decide on precautions. Questions to help evaluate product of risk. Why is this a risk? Who could it affect? When might it occur? Where it occur? What would it mean? Step 4. Record your findings and implement them. Putting the results of your risk assessment into practice will make a difference when looking after people and your business. Step 5. Review your risk assessment and update if necessary. These are the things you are going to do. Number 1. Look at your risk assessment again. Number 2. Have there been any changes? Number 3. Are there any improvements that need to be made? Number 4. Has anyone else spotted any problems? Number 5. Have you learned from any accidents or near misses? Number 6. Make sure that your risk assessment stays up to date.